Hey guys, thanks for joining me again for another episode of Jack's Mechanics. We just have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 here, or also a Ford Ranger. They're literally the same car. Just going to show you, we have the little orange oil light with the spanner, so that's our service indicator light, and we're just going to go ahead and show you how to reset that. So first step, we need the ignition off, and then you can't see my feet. We're going to put both brake and accelerator all the way to the floor, and we'll turn our light back off, and then we'll turn our key to position 2, so all our dash lights slide up. We'll just hold it down, it's about 20 seconds. And eventually we'll start flashing like that. So we can release our feet off the pedals, turn the ignition off, we'll start the car, and there we go. That's how you do it, guys, on this one. Hope this helped you out. If it did help you out and you'd like this sort of little helpful tips and tricks, we have other diagnostic videos on our channel. Yeah, please consider subscribing or liking the video. Catch you in the next one. Take care.